Bismillah. Welcome to third lesson of course Guide to Joomla. In previous lesson you learned how to install Joomla on localhost and getting familiar with the Joomla dashboard. Now in this lesson, which is subtopic of previous lesson, you will learn two things. Install Joomla on live server and enable your site to support multiple languages, which is called multilingual support of Joomla. So let's start. So after you have bought domain and hosting, you will log in to cPanel of your hosting. There are two ways to install Joomla on live server. One is using the app installer which is provided by cPanel, and other is the downloading the Joomla zip folder installation files from the Joomla site and uploading to the your hosting server and unzip and then run the installer from your domain. I am going to install Joomla on subdomain. For this purpose I will create a subdomain. In the search I will go for searching the subdomain. I have already created a subdomain where I will install the Joomla. I will go back to cPanel. I will adopt the easiest way, Softocurious app installer. You can search or scroll down to find the Softocurious. Here you will see Joomla installer. Press the install button and select the first of all select the protocol. If you have SSL enabled on your server, then select the domain where you want to install and the subdirectory if you have to install into the subdirectory. I will install in the root directory. Next you will select the version of Joomla and next you will give the these setting: site name, site description, user name, user real name, email address. Choose the default language as English. In the advanced option, create a database. If you have not created a database earlier, don't touch other things. If you need to receive the details of installation into your email, write down the email. I will not I don't need to receive the emails. And in the final step, press the install button and check out the progress of installation. Okay, in the few seconds it told us a congratulations message. The software was installed successfully, and below it it gives the URLs to navigate to administrator and front of your website. I am going to administrator. It will auto logged in. It should be auto logged in because I am going from the cPanel, so it knows I am going. The right user is going from right path. Okay. This is the dashboard. I told you in the previous lesson. Joomla is installed successfully on your live server, and in next step you will learn how to make your website multilingual. You can create your website into multiple languages. I hope this is very useful feature of the Joomla. So let's begin how to make your website multilingual. So first of all, you will go to the system area, go to the manage block and find the plugins. Go to the plugins. Okay, in the search write down language and press enter or press the search icon. You see there are three plugins. Just select all these three and make these enable. Okay, so in next step we will go back to the system, and under the install we have to install the language. Under the install block you will see the languages. Just go there. I will install Arabic language. You can see there are many languages. You can search the language. There are about 60 languages available in the Joomla by default when you install the Joomla. Now I will install this Arabic language. Press the install button, and it will install the Arabic language on one install. Now we need to make it working so we can view the content in Arabic also. So I have already enabled the plugins. Now I will go to the menus, but before going to menu, under the manage you see the side modules. I have to enable the language switcher. I will go and I will create a new module. Here you can see, or you can search in the search bar for the language. Press the plus button. It will ask for the title. For ease of remember, you can write down the title of language. I don't want to. You can hide the title, this title, or you can show the title. It depends where you want to show the module. Module is like the sidebar as we have in the WordPress. And next you will select the position. Position is an area on your template. So this is template name. I will put this to the sidebar, maybe left, or we can choose the top bar. So let's put for the left. For now let's put on the left. Make sure status should be published. Now we don't need to change other setting. We will save and close. And if we want to view the site, here on the top right, the second link, it will take us to the front of the website. So when we enable the plugin, its backend code is triggered, and you see the by default language, English language language code is included in the URL. But we created the module, nothing is displaying in it because we have not enabled the contents language from backend. In next step I will do it. I will go back to the system, then under the manage and content languages, make the status of Arabic language we just installed to publish. You can see there are language tags, en, and language URL code that is included in the URL of the website. Okay, I will go to the front. Let's see if we have seen. No, not yet. I will go back to the system, then languages. Okay, the default language selected is English language. Next we will create the menu. Under the manage menu, create a new menu. Think this as a folder in which there will be many menus. Put a title and unique name. Unique name should be in the small and without any spaces, and any description if you want to remember, if you want to remember about the menu. So I will select the save and new, not save and close, because I have to create the Arabic menu. Okay, Arabic menu, and your unique name should be in this small Arabic, and now I will save and close. Now I will go to the left side main menu, which has the home icon. I have to copy this menu into two menus that I just created, menus folders, English and Arabic. Select, go to the actions, press the badge button, and from here you don't need to touch this, need to touch this. You have to select this, add to English menu, add to this menu, and press the copy button, not move. Proceed. Okay, it has been copied. Now I will again copy this menu for the Arabic menu. Press the Arabic menu, add to this menu, copy, and proceed. Okay, we are done. I will move to the menu. Maybe I will select all menu items. Here we will see the two menus that we just copied from the main menu. These two menus reside under the English menu and in Arabic menu. Okay. Now I am going to edit this English menu and set its language. I will scroll down. Here you will see the language. Press the English language and save and close. And next I will select the Arabic menu. From left side you can select, or from drop down you can select. I will edit it by clicking on its title. Scroll down, select the Arabic language, and here I have to associate this menu with the English menu, which tells Joomla against which menu I have to translate. Here I will select this home menu for the English. Now it has, I will also change the title to Arabic language so you can know the difference. I will not change the alias or any other settings. Okay. Now we need to make this three homes menus. One for the main menu that is already selected. Let me select the all menu items so you can know. One is for the main menu, which has language all. It has icon like this. One will be for the English menu, one will be for the Arabic menu. This home should be must to set, otherwise your language support will not work. So press the set as a home. You see it has English language flag with it. It does not have flag like that. Be sure for each menu there will be only, for each language there will be only one home. Not be confused with this second home, because this home is just for this English menu. Now I am going to set the home for the Arabic menu. It will automatically set the flag of Arabic language for Arabic menu. Okay. Now let's see if we have something in the front end. Fresh. Okay, we have it. This is the module. Rotating, we have two languages which are assigned to the two different menus. So right now I am viewing the content in the English. Okay, when I will switch to Arabic language, see what's happened. Okay, see, you see the home title, page title, and also all the website contents are changed from left to right direction to right to left direction, as this Arabic is in right to left language. So Joomla also support right LTR and RTL. So it's a great option. We don't need to have any third party extension. I don't think if WordPress has it. Okay, these are the modules on your website. You can change. I am going to show you how to change it. This is the language feature. We can also change it to have a separate language feature for every language. I'm not going to show it. I'm going to tell you about the this main menu. This is actually module. I am going again to the system, find out under the manage site modules. Here it is the main menu, which has language to all. Okay, I am going to select it, edit it, and under the select menu, this is selected the main menu. When I select the English menu, it will show the English menu. Let me say it English menu. And select the language to English, and now press this arrow icon and save as a copy. Now this menu will be shown when we are viewing the English version of a website. Don't forget to again publish status of this module, then save. Press this time save button, so because we want to be on this screen. If we press the save and close, it will take us back to the menu list. And now I will again save, select this as a Arabic menu, select the Arabic language and save as copy. Maybe I have to change the title. Now again select the status as a published. Here you have to assign the menu. Under the menu assignment, go and select for the Arabic menu only, not this English or main menu. Okay, save and close. Now this module will be shown only this Arabic menu that we selected. I will also select the English menu. I will go to the menu assignment. I will select the only on the page selected, unselect the Arabic menu and main menu, save and close. Now let's see in the front what happens. I will refresh the page. You see this module is here. This is coming because we selected to show this at everywhere. Now if I switch to the English menu, now let's see what happened. Okay, you see the Arabic menu module has gone and English menu has been enabled in this version of website. So that was today's lesson, in which you learned how to install Joomla on live server and how to make your website a multilingual website.